wanted people, sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me.
And hello! Hey, thank you so much! What's up? Hey, thank you so much!
I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't.
Akala boy, ako house boy, ako kung trabaho, natur. Eh, ano kung trabaho? Talaga! Pointo! Ng trabaho? CEO!
Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Kaya din mo po.
adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel.
Every second counts, so i-treasure mo yung time na yung bata. Happy birthday!
Alright, God bless you.
Sasaluhin mo ang mga ginto ni Nani. Wishing you all the best that life can offer. God bless you and your family. At masaya at maayos na landas. At happy birthday to I hope you grow up as a good kid and that you will be successful in the future.
Wow, look at that.